But guess what happened to me today? I lined up my balls of wine on the counter. I turned around and the bottle fell on the floor. Smash. The girl that was in front of me got wine all over her leg. How to impress people without trying.
I've seen some of their cakes. Some of their cakes are
Okay.
huge.
On your 70th birthday, here's hoping that your birthday is special from the start, the kind with lasting memories to treasure in your heart. And hope the year ahead of you will be the kind that brings many unexpected joys and lots of happiness. Happy 70th. Go to Marie.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Sitting on the coffee table.
Thank you. Focus on people.
Lynn,
Well,
Seriously? That's why I left it.
okay.
Yeah, that's what
We thought it might be for your dad.
yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Mine, don't give it away.
who said that? Here.
Colin. Okay.
Oh, so glad. That's all I was doing.
Oh, yeah. Well,
That's not missing.
yeah. Well, thank you, John.
Thanks
No,
for
it
the
doesn't,
noise.
it doesn't make noise.
Where's the noise?
You're the one that makes noise.
Now do the dance with us. Speech.
Where's the music?
What's this?
Put the music on.
We want live music.
Okay, Dad, speech.
It's coming. It's coming.
We want live music.
Listen, people.
Listen.
Listen, my people.
Okay. Camreta.
Thank you so much.
He's going to give us his blessing.
That's good.
That's my buddy's job. Yes. I want to thank you very much for being here today. I want to thank my family for putting this together because I really have no idea. Right.
And then let it out of the bag.
My granddaughter said, "Well, we're having a party for them and that." Right?
No,
I
isn't,
forgot exactly what it
isn't
said.
everybody coming to the trailer this weekend?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
something like next weekend? Or
It's not party for.
isn't that Grandpa's house party? We're like,
It's not going to be a surprise party.
The table.
So,
Just getting it.
she's a little bit blonde.
We're glad you came. We're glad you came.
from the cockles of my heart.
Yes,
What-
good.
What's a cockle?
Couple.
It's a flower.
It's a flower?
Cockle shell? No? Cocker
no
shell?
idea.
I don't know either. Isn't that part of a nursery rhyme?
Blessed
Give us a little flower.
to have people that care so much.
I don't know. Cockle shell.
I thank you
I
for
think
being
it's a
there for
flower.
me, my friend. Speak up.
You're here. Yeah.
In here.
Gotta change his batteries.
You heard me? And she's got her hearing aids on.
Deaf.
What?
Okay, Jay, I heard you.
She
You're joking.
You're trying to put me on, right, Carlos?
Do it again.
Do it again, Jared.
More in the center. There.
Do your little dance.
All right.
Keep it up, I'm going to wound you.
Wait, let me get the camera going.
There's nothing more to say. Thank you so much. And
Welcome, Jerry.
really appreciate your
You're not getting this for your next 70th, I can guarantee you that.
I'm not going to be here.